Hello everyone, welcome to my kitchen. Today we will be making a very simple and tasty recipe of green beans with potatoes. This recipe is comforting, made in one pot. So the ingredients we need are about 500 grams of green beans, 2 potatoes, 2 tomatoes, 1 large onion and about 10 cloves of garlic. We will start prepping the vegetables by peeling the potatoes. Then I'll slice the garlic. I am going to chop the potato into bite-sized pieces. Moving on to the green beans, I'm going to snip the ends, which sometimes can be a bit fibrous. And then I'm going to cut the green beans into about 1/2 inch sized pieces. We'll dice the tomatoes finely. You can use a knife or a food processor if you want to. Same thing with the onion. I'm adding about 2 tablespoons of oil to a pan. We are keeping this on medium to medium high heat. Once the oil is nice and hot, we'll add the garlic. We'll saute this for about 40 to 50 seconds till it turns nicely aromatic. Then we'll add the onions. We'll be sauteing the onions for about 2 to 3 minutes till they become pink and slightly translucent. Then I'm adding the potatoes. Mix it all around. I'm going to saute the potatoes with the onions and the garlic for 2 to 3 minutes on medium-high heat. After 2 to 3 minutes of sauteing the potatoes, I'm adding the green beans. Mix this all around. At this point, I'll also add about 1 teaspoon of salt, which you can add just as per your taste, about 1/2 teaspoon of red chili powder, about 1.5 teaspoon of coriander powder, and 1/3 of a teaspoon of turmeric powder. Mix it all up nicely. Cover with a lid. We will cook this for about 6 to 7 minutes. Stir the vegetables every 1 to 2 minutes in between so they don't get burned. After about 6 to 7 minutes of cooking, I'm adding the tomatoes. Cover with a lid. Again, we'll cook this on low-medium heat. This will take another 7 to 8 minutes and we'll be cooking till the potatoes are well done. So this is ready. I'm going to check for salt, which was perfect. If you would like more recipes like this, which are simple, easy to make and comforting, please like and subscribe to my channel.